A portion of this video is sponsored by Bitwarden. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 amazing Android apps that everybody should install on their phone. These apps will help you with everything from better managing your phone use to better protecting all of your accounts with secure passwords. They will even help you make better dietary decisions. And if you're a person like me who uses a mixed ecosystem of Apple and Android products, I have an app in here that will help you easily transfer files between all of these ecosystems, which can be very painful if you don't have the proper apps to do it. And I will be leaving links to all of the apps I've mentioned in the description below, and I'm sure there's going to be a few in here that you're going to want to download for yourself, so be sure to check them out. So let's get started with the very first one. Now this first app is called TimeWise, and essentially what it's going to do is give you better insight into exactly what you're doing on your phone. So you can see up here we have a Today tab, and it will show you all of your stats for today. So you can see I have 1 hour and a half of screen time. I've unlocked my phone 52 times. I've received 155 notifications. These are the top 3 used apps I have for the day. And this is the time window when I have used my phone the most. You can also select the month tab and get all of the same information for the month. And what's really nice about this app is at the end of the year, they will give you a wrap up, kind of like how Spotify does, and it shows you all of your favorite songs, which artists you've listened to the most. If you click on your profile, you can see that there's a year wrapped section right here. Now, I didn't actually have this app in 2024, so it doesn't actually have the 2024 wrapped for me. But at the end of the year, this year for 2025, I'll be able to go in here and get all of my usage for 2025. And I am somebody who's trying to be a little bit more conscious about how often I'm using my phone, what's going on my phone, and just how much screen time I'm getting in general. And if you're somebody like that as well, this next app is going to be great for you as well, because what this app will do is create a widget and show you on your screen exactly how many times you've unlocked your phone for the day. This app is called UnlockMaster, and you can see right here on the home page, it shows you how many times I've unlocked my phone for the day. So I'm at 53 right now, and you can even go down here to change that number. So if you want to limit how many times you lock your phone, you can change that to whatever you want. It doesn't actually stop you from being able to unlock your phone, but it kind of just gives you that visual of how many times you've unlocked your phone already for the day. And over here, you can see it'll also show you how much screen time you have for the day. So I'm almost at 2 hours. And of course, you can also set a different limit on here. You can go up to 5 hours or as low as 1 hour. So just set this to whatever you want. Again, it's not going to actually stop you from being able to use your phone, but it'll just give you a visual cue of exactly how many times you've used your phone and how long you've spent on it. And what's really nice about this is you can click on the details and it'll give you a breakdown of all of the timestamps of when you unlocked your phone and how long you spent using your phone during that time. And if you swipe down into the notification shade, this app will give you constant updates on exactly how you're doing with your limits. So you can see I'm at 53 out of 70 unlocks for the day, and I'm at about 75% of my screen on limit. So it's definitely a really good app to help you stay a little bit more conscious about how many times you've used your phone and if you're getting close to your limit. Next is an app I suggest absolutely everybody get, because your security is a very serious thing, and I wish I got this app before I got hacked, and it is from today's sponsor, Bitwarden. Now, even though they are sponsoring today's video, I have been personally using Bitwarden for the past 3 years to help me better manage all of my security online and store all my passwords in a safe and secure place. Now, one of my favorite features of Bitwarden is not only are they completely safe with end-to-end encryption, but they're also cloud-based and cross-platform. So no matter what device you're using, if you have an Android and a MacBook and a PC like I do, you can access your vault from any of these devices, any browser at any time. And when it comes to secure and complex passwords, Bitwarden does all the hard work for you. I pretty much never have to think about passwords anymore because the app does it for you. And another amazing feature in here is this little check mark that if you hit on it, it will scan the database for any known breaches and let you know if your password is compromised, so you can go ahead and change it if you need to. I have been using the free version and it has been enough for everything that I needed to do. But if you do want a little bit more functionality or you want to support the developers, they do have a personal premium plan, and this one allows you to do file attachments. There's also a family plan for a little bit over $3 a month, where you get access to 6 accounts with unlimited sharing and collections across all of the vaults. And if you're a business owner, there's a Teams tier for smaller businesses and an Enterprise tier for larger organizations. If you want to learn more or get Bitwarden for yourself and start securing all of your accounts, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. All right, guys, moving on to the next app. This one is called the Yuka, and this one has helped me make better decisions when it comes to my nutrition. And this app is super easy to use. All you got to do is just find the product that you have questions about. So I've been eating these yogis, which I thought were healthy because they're like fruit and yogurt. I thought, what's wrong with that? And then there's a barcode on the back. So all you need to do with the app is just hit the little scan icon right there and then scan the barcode of your food. And you can see that this is a 26 out of 100, which is really bad. And all this time I thought this was a healthy snack, but turns out it's not. And if you swipe up, you can see it gives you a little bit more information. So there's a negative section right here that says that it's too high in saturated fats, there's too much sugar, it's too high in calories, and it even contains additives. But what's really nice and what I absolutely love about this app is if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it will give you healthier alternatives that you can buy that are similar to this product. Thanks to this app, I now know that that is not the best snack, but I can also find better alternatives that I can go to the store and pick up for myself later. Now, if you're somebody like me and you have a hybrid ecosystem, so I have an Android phone, I have a MacBook, I have a PC, I also have an Android tablet and an iPad, and sharing files between these can sometimes be a little bit tricky because sometimes these ecosystems don't really work well between each other, especially Apple. But there is an app that makes this completely seamless and very easy, and it's called LocalSend. And to get this to work, all you need to do is install the LocalSend app on any of the devices that you want to share files between. So I have it on my Android phone and on my MacBook. And anytime that I want to share files from either of these devices, all I need to do is open up the application. It will recognize the other device that I'm trying to share with. And I just need to hit send on my device, select any of the files that I want to transfer, and then select the device that I want to transfer it to, and then agree to receive those files on the other device. And that's it. There's nothing else to it. No matter if it's a video file or a picture, no matter the file format, and no matter the size, it will transfer those files between those devices without any issues. This app is honestly one of my favorite finds in a really long time. I have always struggled, especially as a YouTuber, trying to transfer files between my Android phone and my MacBook. It has always been such a pain, but this app does it so well and it's really quick. And the fact that it just works so well and there's no ads, there's no hidden costs or anything, it just does what it needs to do. It's just such a great app. So if you have a hybrid ecosystem like I do, definitely give this app a try. Now moving on to the next app, this one is called MicroGestures, and essentially what it will do is allow you to flick your phone and take an action. So if I can show you, when I flick my phone like this, it will open up my calculator, and if I flip it back, it'll just take me to my home page. And it's just really convenient and it works really well. So within the app, when we enable it, you can see we have 3 different actions we can take when we rotate it on the X, Y, and Z axis. And I've set this to my home, calculator, and notifications. But if you want to change it, you can just tap into here. You can also change the sensitivity of the flick. But if you want to change the action, we can tap right there. And we have a few different options here. But if you want to launch a different app, hit launch app. And now you can just go through your entire list of all of the apps on your phone and set it to something else. So let's say maybe we want to open up GoodLock. We can hit the little checkbox right here. And now when I flick my phone, you can see it'll open up my GoodLock application. And again, if I flip up, it'll just take me home. It's definitely a really cool app if you want to be able to quickly access some of your applications or just take some quick actions on your phone. All right, guys, this next app is going to help you customize your phone to make your home screen a little bit cooler. Now it's called WallSpot 4K, and you can see it's just a wallpaper app. This is one of my new favorite wallpaper apps. It has some really beautiful 4K wallpapers in here that look absolutely amazing on your phone. The one I'm using right now is actually from that app. You can see this is a really nice looking wallpaper. And I gotta say, all the wallpapers in here are really nice. They have a lot of really great free ones, and they are constantly adding new ones all the time. But if you do want a premium tier, they do have, of course, the paid option in here with some more options. But honestly, as nice as these are, the free version has been pretty great for me so far, especially that they keep adding new wallpapers all the time. And it's really easy to use. Just tap on a wallpaper that you like, hit apply, and then set it to your home screen or your lock screen. And then when you hit apply, you can see there you go, it gets set to your home screen and lock screen. People are always asking me in the comments where I'm getting my wallpapers from. So if you want to customize the look of your phone and get some cool wallpapers, definitely check this one out. All right, guys, this next app is going to help you take control of your phone and help clean up your cluttered gallery and just get rid of all of those pictures and videos that you don't need. And it does it in a really fun way. So this app is called Sponge. And when you open it up, you can see that it discovers all of the photos and videos in your gallery, and it's discovered over 3,000 on mine. So all you got to do now is hit start cleaning. And if you have the free version, you're going to have to select which month that you want to clean photos from. So we'll just select this month. And now to delete a photo, just swipe it this way and it's going to delete it. And if you want to keep a photo, just swipe it the other way. So this is kind of like Tinder, where you kind of just go through there and swipe anything that you like this way, and if you don't want it or you want to delete it, just swipe it the other way. And this is just a really fun way to go ahead and clean all of your photos and get rid of all of that clutter on your phone. Now, if you do have the free version, you will be able to filter this by album, so you can start deleting your photos by album instead of by month, which is a little bit more convenient, but I find that the free version works just fine. So if you have a cluttered phone and you want to start getting rid of some of these photos you don't need, definitely check out Sponge. All right, guys, now this last app is great to kill some time if you're in a place where you don't have connection to Wi-Fi or data. Maybe you're on an airplane. This is a great way to kill some time, and it is really addicting. This app is called Color Switch, and essentially what you gotta do is just bounce the ball through the obstacles, and the ball will change color and direction as you go. And the cool thing about this is there are so many different game modes. You can see there's ski, mini golf, invader, kite dungeon, deep ocean, flip-flop block, holiday sled. There's just countless game modes, and there are so many rounds within each one of these. You can literally kill a lot of time on this app. Definitely pick this game up. It is not going to disappoint. It is a lot of fun. But there you go, guys. That's gonna do it for this video. Let me know in the comments below which of these apps is your favorite, or maybe even drop a name of another app that you think I might like, and I'll definitely check it out. But that's gonna do it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.